You want to learn how to become a YouTuber that makes money? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we talking about making money as a YouTuber. Now if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you want to learn how to make money as a YouTuber. I hope. I mean, I don't know why else you'd be watching it, but anyway, so you are watching the right video. Now, just to let you know, before I'm letting you know, at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a program that you can definitely check out that will take your YouTube to another level. I'll talk about that, but the link to that program will be in the description of this video. But before you even look at that or think about that, YouTube is becoming more and more of a way that people are generating either, part-time or full-time income. Every day it's getting more and more common for people to be like, yo, I'm a YouTuber. Like, that's what I do. People are paying taxes on their YouTube income. People are, buying homes strictly from being a YouTuber. So the good news is, like, it's a possibility. You can actually pursue this and actually make money doing it. The question is, how, right? How are people doing this stuff? And, what should you do if you want to become a YouTuber that makes money? Well, anytime you're comfortable, the most common way, and I'm sure you probably heard about this, is becoming a partner of YouTube, right? And that is basically people make money from them ads that pop up. Maybe this video has them on there, it should. And people are making, money from these ads. Now, this is like the most basic way to start making money with YouTube. And one of the number one ways that people teach other people how to make money, they're like, yo, YouTube ads, right? Get your channel to the point where you can have ads on there, and you get paid every time you drop a video that gets a decent amount of views. You're going to make some money in your AdSense account, right? Every single month you get paid. And yes, trust me, people are making, there's some YouTubers who are making, $5,000 a month, $10,000, $8,000. And that's cool, right? And they pretty much have it predicted, give or take a certain amount of money. They know they're going to make around this amount pretty much. The bad part about that is sometimes it can be super unpredictable. Sometimes you can make, there's a YouTuber that make maybe $5,000 in 1 month, and maybe something happen and maybe they'll make $3,500, right? Still is livable money, still good money, but it can vary drastically, right? So a lot of people who make money with YouTube ads, they add on to that, right? So I do recommend trying to get your YouTube channel monetized first and foremost, but YouTube has their what's the word I'm looking for? It's too early in the morning. They have their stipulate or guidelines or whatever. You have to achieve certain goals before you can get your channel monetized. And I believe it still is 4,000 hours watch time, and you need 1,000 subscribers. Now the thing is, a lot of people just getting started with YouTube, they'll look at that and be like, man, I can't do that. That's like, that's too hard. That's gonna take forever, right? And really, it don't have to take forever, right? You don't, but you can do it depending on what niche you're in, what kind of content. Sometimes you can get a lot of watch time, just depending on what your channel is about, and what kind of views you're getting, right? And then getting the actual subscribers, that kind of will come with the, with the views. If you get a lot of views, that's going to translate at some point into subscribers. So it's not impossible to get 1,000 subscribers and, get your watch time, guys. That's what you need to kind of, just get started. You need to kind of focus on that. But while you're focusing on that, you should be happy to know there's other ways that you can make money from YouTube without being monetized. And one of the most popular ways, and I would say the number one way, is to become an affiliate marketer, right? Find something that you want to promote that you can actually sell, right, in your videos, right, on your channel. And there's literally tons of things that you could promote, things you never even thought about, that you can sell and get commissions on. You probably could sell and get commissions on, guys. So you can literally start making money, right, way before your channel gets monetized. That's a fact. People are doing it all the time. So the best example is if you are in the weight loss niche, or you want a fitness channel, whatever, like I got one, Team BTFL. You can literally have, go to ClickBank or go to Amazon, become an affiliate, and at the end of your videos or at the beginning of the videos, whenever, you can advertise or promote these products and get commissions, right? And a lot of people like doing this because you can make, in some cases, depending on what you're promoting, you can make way more money, believe it or not, than the YouTube ads, right? So another thing that people are doing, just getting started with YouTube and making money as a YouTuber, is come up with t-shirts, merchandise, right? Now, you might be thinking like, man, that's gonna be too difficult because like, who gonna buy my merchandise and nobody even know who I am? This is why a lot of people come up with like t-shirts or things where you can put like different sayings and stuff like that, like different quotes, and depending on what your niche is in, a lot of people come up with t-shirts, and you can sell them, just like you doing the affiliate products. Talk about them in your videos, after your videos, send people to your t-shirt store. Now, a lot of people use Spreadshirt, Teespring, and what's the other one? I can't think of the other one, but I just signed up for it too. I can't think of it. Oh, I think Printify or Printly, one of them, where you can actually create t-shirts and you'll get like a $5 to $6 commission per sale, a shirt that you sell, whatever like that. So people are doing that, guys. And another thing people are doing is actually creating their own products and selling them, mainly like courses, ebooks and stuff like that. People are straight creating them and selling them and getting 100% profit. You know what I mean? People are doing that as well. And then you got other ways that you can monetize with like brand deals and sponsorships, all kinds of stuff that you can do and make money. But the two main things is YouTube monetization and affiliate marketing. Those things right there will make you money if you focus on them. Like, no doubt about it, especially once you get your channel monetized. Like, you can really focus on getting content that's going to get eyeballs, and that's gonna, generate those AdSense, that AdSense income, guys. A lot of people are getting paid from YouTube, but I highly suggest doing both. Starting your channel, find something that you want to promote, and then just rock it, go hard with it. Now, I will say this: when it comes to the affiliate side of things, if you want to promote something, you don't have to start your channel immediately. Like the first video you make, just start talking about, oh, I'm selling this weight loss thing, blah, 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 blah. I mean, start getting a little traction first. Even if it's like, 10, 15 videos, you might not even talk about what you're promoting. Or you do it discreetly. Like you just kind of like at the end of your videos, or just kind of casually say, oh yeah, by the way, if you're looking for a great weight loss program, check out the link below. Like, do that. Don't just make all of your videos like, hey, why you should buy this weight loss program, why you should buy this, why you should buy that, right? Build up to that, right? But ultimately, I mean, that's what YouTubers are doing. Like, they're making, money from YouTube ads, and they're making affiliate sales, right? So if you're going back to what I said at the beginning of this video, this guy named Jordan Mackey, I bought a couple of his courses before. He just put together this massive course, and I talked about it a couple weeks ago. But this course is for somebody who's like, yo, I want to do YouTube. Like, I want to be a YouTuber and make real money, right? Not like little bit of money, not like $50 a month type thing. No, I want to do YouTube. And this course that Jordan just dropped It's everything. It blankets everything on how to make money with YouTube. It shows you, you know, how to get a channel monetized very quickly. It shows you how to dramatically cut down that time that you might have to spend, you know, getting your 4,000 hour watch time, right, and getting 1,000 subscribers. He teaches you in the course how to do it within days or weeks, right? So now you're automatically gonna have your channel in a position to be monetized, where normally it might take you 3 to 4 months to do this. Now you're talking 3 to 4 days, maybe a week or two max, that you can start generating income. So right there, that's worth the course. But then he teaches you how to make content for your YouTube channel, no matter what niche you're in. He shows you like how to make videos and how to make them quickly. That way you can have a lot of content on your channel, a lot of good content on your channel. He walks you through step by step, you know, how to do it. Then he teaches how to automate everything to the point where you can have 4, 5, 6 YouTube channels that is just making you money every month, really every day, but you get paid every month. And then the affiliate side of things, you'll actually learn how to, where you can make money basically every day, but making money from YouTube definitely every single month, right? So it's just a complete course, and I know it because I'm part of the private Facebook group that Jordan has. I've bought his courses before, so I know the deal, and I've talked to other clients of his as well, customers, and like, yo, he legit. But keeping it 100% real, right now as I'm shooting this video, his course was $375 for the complete course with updates included. But depending on when you watch it, I know for a fact it's going up to $497 one time thing. So I'm gonna be honest with you. Some people might be like, $497, that's, oh my God, that's too much. And somebody else might be like, that's it? $497, that's it? I mean, let me just get this now, right? Because there's so many other courses out there that's $997, that's $1,997. You know, a lot of courses out there like that, and they don't give you everything that this course is going to give you. So it doesn't really matter if you want to take the YouTube ad approach or the affiliate marketing approach or the brand deal approach or building your own products approach. Jordan's course, it takes care of all of that. So it's almost like the end all be all of YouTube courses. And why I can say that, because he does updates. So when things change, the course change. He go in, because he's done this on his past products. He'll go in, he'll do a new video, right? A new video like, yo, this really don't work no more. You should start doing this. Start using this website. Start doing this technique, right? So the $497, depending on when you watch it, if it's $497, it's definitely worth it. If you really want to take YouTube as a business, right? You really want to promote, you really want to be a YouTuber, and you want to be proud to be a YouTuber and make real money, like that you live off of. You definitely want to invest in this course, okay? You definitely want to invest in this course because it's going to make you money. Long as you follow what's inside this course, you're going to make money. Trust me, you will, right? So the course, obviously, like I said, link in the description. Check it out for yourself. I believe he does offer a money back guarantee. If you don't have the money right now, you know, use a PayPal credit card or something. It's worth it. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? Trust me. And if you really use YouTube as a business, you know, that could be a tax write-off. Check the link below as well. You know, you can make YouTube a home business, right? Check the link below if you know what I'm talking about. All right. But yeah, guys, YouTube is making people money, and you can be one of them. You don't need this course. I was just telling you ways that people are doing it. But if you're serious about it, I do recommend you checking out Jordan Mackey's course. Link in the description. If you bought the course, right? If you bought it in the past or you buy it after watching this video, come back to the video and comment below and let people know what you thought about the course, right? Because I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna say something pretty positive about the course. All right, so there you have it. That's how to make money as a YouTuber. Be sure to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I need some water. And I will see you in the next video.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.